Verbs followed by infinitives.
Listen and repeat. She agreed to help us.
They aim to please.
He appears to be tired.
We arranged to meet at 7.
He asked to leave early.
He attempted to climb the mountain.
I beg to differ.
She began to cry.
Do you care to join us?
He chose to ignore the warning.
He claimed to have seen the UFO.
She consented to be recorded.
We decided to go to the beach.
He demanded to speak with the manager.
You deserve to be happy.
I expect to finish by noon.
He failed to get the job.
Don't forget to lock the door.
She happened to find a solution.
He helped to carry the bags.
I hope to see you soon.
They intend to travel next year.
She learned to play the piano.
He managed to fix the car.
You need to be careful.
She offered to help.
We plan to move next month.
He pretended to be asleep.
She promised to call later.
He refused to participate.
They seem to be happy.
She struggled to understand.
He swore to tell the truth.
She tends to overthink things.
He threatened to leave.
She tried to open the jar.
He volunteered to help.
We waited to board the plane.
I want to learn more.
She wished to be left alone.